Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, July 9th. A little bit of a firmer tone in the overnight trade. We've got the wheat market up around 5 cents, the corn market up around 8 cents, beans anywhere from 15 to 20 higher, meal market up around $5 to $8, and the soybean oil market up around 20 points. Support coming on the heels of the position evening ahead of Thursday's USDA monthly report. We've also winding down our July deliveries, and it's been an episode of basically no deliveries for the July contracts, a lack of farmer selling, and a tight cash market. And then we're also maybe seeing a little bit of a hint as far as ridging in the extended weather forecast that kind of sometimes likes to keep a bit underneath the marketplace when we go and work our way lower. And it is kind of interesting as far as those type of comments just made that Sunday night trade, we made new lows for the move for our corn, beans, and meal, and that had lows for the new crop, soybean oil and wheat. While last night we continued to make new highs for the move and or new contract highs for the nearby contracts, soybean meal, corn, and soybeans. And you can just see the tail of the two tapes going on right here as far as the old crop versus the new crop. So anyway, we'll continue to monitor that. We'll see what happens when the July goes off the board, if that can't carry its way over into the August beans and soybean meal. Like I said, we're going to have a crop production report coming out on Thursday. And the early guesses as far as what the trade's looking for as far as carryouts go for wheat, corn, and beans, it's a little bit impressive to go and say that both for the old crop and for the new crop, the trade is looking for smaller carryout numbers than what we're currently looking at as far as the June numbers go. So that'll be out on Thursday. Of course, a lot of those supply and demand tables will have a lot to do with what's going on with our crop progress over the next couple of months and or weather. The crop progress that came out yesterday showed the corn crop still in good, excellent condition, going up 1% on the wheat, beans staying unchanged, both of them stronger than a year ago. We're getting our winter wheat harvested. Hybrid spring is also improving with their condition, so as it stands right now, we're really not having any glaring problems. And obviously, if we start to increase our yield potential, that'll alter the carryout numbers down the road. And one other thing of note is that we got our commitment to traders report that came on out. The corn now has joined the ranks of the soybean oil and the wheat as far as having managed money on the short side, and that's the first time managed money in the corn has been net short, this being your speculator, since 2010. So we're seeing this contraction of long positions and or the trade being short or getting short the corn. They're still short the beans and the soybean meal, but versus where they were a week ago, that has been contracting as well. So a little bit better start here this morning, and we have USDA report coming up on Thursday, July options expiration on Friday. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.